We are here at the dock, at the port here in Cozumel. We are about to depart. This is gonna be our boat for the day. We have an awesome crew here. Hopefully see some sharks, turtles, stingrays, eels.
I'm chasing after the biggest great white shark in the world. I'm gonna find it today.
What's up, guys? We're here today in Cozumel, Mexico because we're going to be scuba diving. This is some of the best diving in the entire world. It's the second largest reef system. It's called the Mesoamerican Reef. It's only second to the Great Barrier Reef. There's a whole lot of coral.
They have the biggest sharks in the world. I stand by it. I'm chasing after the biggest great white shark in the world. I'm gonna find it today. Leave a like, leave a comment saying Yanni's gonna find that shark, because I'm going to by the end of this video.
Today we're diving with Scuba Life Cozumel. As you can see, they're loading up the boat.
That's my lifelong dream, to see an orca underwater. I don't think those exist here, but I'll never count it out. It's always a possibility when you're underwater. Those things could swim to Cozumel. Maybe they want some tacos.
We're about to get all situated with our dive shop, which is gonna be Scuba Life Cozumel. We researched who was the best in the business on this island.
It's these guys.
It's them.
They know how to take care of you, okay?
Hi, Carly.
Hey, how's it going?
What are we doing today?
Today we are going scuba diving, so we're gonna go and check out the reef. We do the first dive on the wall, and the second dive we do on the reef.
So recently I've been having a lot of dreams about orcas. Some have been a little scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Let's go meet this crew. I'm George.
Nice to meet you, George.
Yanni.
Nice to meet you, Johnny.
What's your name?
Cheche.
Oh, this is
Not with Carlos, but call me Cheche.
Guys, everyone's on the boat. We're late per usual. This is a bad habit of mine.
Let's do it.
All right.
Here's Aldo.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola, amigos.
Bye, Carly.
Ciao. Vámonos. The staff of the day is Marcelo on the controls. Captain Marcelo. Yeah. Okay, we have instructor Cheche right there. We have instructor Nico in the back here. And myself, Aldo. Okay?
Hello, Captain. First dive. Let's get suited up.
This is Santa Rosa wall. It's one of the most iconic walls in Cozumel because it's the most vertical one. We saw a nurse shark, we saw a hawksbill turtle, and a little stingray.
first dive down. That was my first drift dive. I didn't realize that the current was gonna be that strong. You can see it's very rocky today.
The next day.
What's up, Yanni?
Good morning, George.
We are now on our way to the boat dock. These are the whips. You got red guy and blue guy.
You want to see some real speed? Yeah?
Easy, dude.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed?
George, Scuba Life.
Come in, welcome.
Thank you. Well, that's off to a hot start. No one died. Boys.
Hello guys, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning.
Good morning, buddy.
Oh, look at this guy.
Hi, my friend. How are you?
Buenos dias, Marcelo.
Buenos dias, George.
Yanni's been dreaming though about orcas. He's been manifesting it.
It's my lifelong dream to see an orca. You've been swimming?
Yeah.
Did you work at SeaWorld?
Oh, in Norway.
I want to be you when I grow up, man.
Oh.
Me and Captain Marcelo go way back, actually. He's gonna baptize my kids. Dude, yesterday, don't trust the pills. I took them yesterday and I barfed at 65 feet under.
Can everyone tell me their name really quick?
Lucy, Kalispell, Montana.
Where are you originally from?
Appleton, Wisconsin.
So weird because I went to college in Appleton, Wisconsin. I went to Lawrence. So that's pretty crazy.
We're gonna dive to the Palancar Bricks, and it's a large area where we can actually have a nice view of all the group. But we're gonna have two groups. The ladies are gonna dive with me. The guys in front will dive with Chino.
He meant to say that the ladies will be diving with this guy.
Bottoms up. Dive number 2. Sponges, a lot of soft corals, a lot of gorgonians, and we went through quite a few of those caves, which were really cool. The caves were pleasant because once you got in there, it was like a nice break from the current. The current's pretty strong. A lot of different reef fish, a lot of tangs, a lot of like purple and blue tangs. Then you'd see a lot of damsels, so overall though, some pretty cool stuff. The fish we saw at the end was a scorpion fish. If you guys have seen my other video of the most dangerous aquarium in the world, it's got like spikes on it and you gotta be really careful. You don't wanna step on it or press down on those spikes because it can actually release a really dangerous toxin.
That was one of my favorite dives, just like going through all those tunnels. It was just really fun. I really dig those swim throughs. Marcelo, where the snacks at, my guy? A great dive company is a company that understands that after 30 minutes, an hour underwater, you're gonna want some snacks.
Banana, cookies.
Cookies, good snacks too.
Mango, peach, and apple.
Scuba Life Cozumel, providing all the snacks that Yanni requires.
I love juice, man. This is all it takes for me, guys. Apple juice and that. so seasick. Too much dopamine.
All right, guys, we just finished with our 2 dives for the day. We're actually gonna be coming back tonight for a night dive, which is really exciting.
So they say you gotta do your first night dive naked. So yeah, we'll see you tonight, and expect things to get feisty out there, okay? The sharks are coming out tonight, and I'm not talking about the marine life. I'm talking about the big boys.
Many hours later.
We are about to depart. This is gonna be our boat for the day. We have an awesome crew here full of, I think it's like 3 or 4 different people and a captain. So plenty of people to take care of us, which is really nice because I think Yanni and I are gonna need the help. How are you feeling?
Oh, look who it is. This guy.
All good, my friend.
All right. Where were you earlier today?
I went diving.
You went diving without us.
Yeah, man, sorry, but somebody has to do it, you know?
Yeah, my friend. How are you, buddy?
Good to see you.
No.
Che in the house. What up? This is Che.
Hello guys, nice to meet you.
But why does your shirt say Carlos?
Carlos, because I have 2 names, so Cheche is my secret nickname.
It's a double life.
Yeah.
On the boat, it's Carlos. In the clubs, it's Cheche.
I think you know something about double life. I think.
My name's Yanni and John, so.
A lot of people are gonna be wondering about COVID. We had to take tests to come here and to go back. We don't have COVID. We've actually passed COVID tests to be here.
This is a good news.
He's like, I like to hear that. I'm liking Che. Che's our guy. It's my first night dive with the current.
Have you ever seen any octopus?
I haven't, which is why I hope tonight. They say that octopuses are everywhere.
Yeah, 90% of possibilities to see them. Sometimes we see 1, sometimes we see 10.
There's a good chance we see the octopus.
Yeah, of course.
Ready to rock? Yeah! We're gonna make a single group, guys. 6 divers with 2 instructors.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. As you can see, just so much marine life down there. We got to see turtles, big ray at the end,
Sharks, a lot of really cool fish. The reefs were awesome. I've never gotten a chance, I don't think you have gotten to dive with the current moving in. That was something really exciting to do.
Our first drift dives, they were definitely interesting. Definitely a learning curve. We started these diving videos maybe about a year ago.
About a year ago.
We got certified. The idea was to get closer to the actual animals that I'm keeping. A lot of you guys are keeping in aquariums.
If you guys are ever in Cozumel, make sure you check out Scuba Life Dive Center. It's definitely the place to go to if you're down here and you want to get certified, or if you want to scuba dive. They'll take you around, they'll take care of you. Like mentioned before, they'll give you plenty of snacks.
Great snack.
It's the company to dive with if you're in here in Cozumel.
We're gonna put their link in the description below. You can check them out. Just ask for Carly. She works in here at the front desk and she manages everything and she'll get you taken care of. Make sure to get your coral fish 12G Merc. Beautiful embroidered tee. I'm sunburnt right now a little bit, but I can barely feel it with this super soft cotton t-shirt on. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, guys. We are so close to 1 million. We're gonna hit it so soon. I can feel it. We're gonna make more dive videos, more aquarium videos, more travel videos. We're gonna continue our travel series. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. But until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.